I'm a former nuclear power electrician with 17 years in HVAC servicing residential heating equipment. Homeowners don't ask me for slick brochure speeches. They want to know what actually works when the weather drops below freezing. Today we're comparing the Lennox OWB86 and the NTI Caprice oil boilers. On paper, both heat your home, but once you look past the marketing, there are a few practical details you should know before handing over your hard-earned cash. Most homeowners assume efficiency is the only number that matters when buying a boiler. In my experience, that's only half the battle. What really matters is total cost of ownership over 15 or 20 years. That includes upfront equipment price, efficiency, and how much you'll spend maintaining or repairing it down the line. The NTI Caprice sits at an 87% AFUE rating, while the Lennox OWB86 comes in at 86% AFUE. So what? AFUE is essentially your boiler's miles per gallon rating. It measures how much of the heating oil you buy actually turns into heat inside your house, instead of going up the chimney flue. That 1% difference sounds like a big deal, but in real-world oil consumption, you'll barely notice it on your annual fuel bill. However, Lennox backs their electronic components with a 10-year parts warranty, whereas NTI only offers a 1-year warranty on electronics. That is a massive operational buffer for you down the road. Both of these cast iron boilers operate as standard non-condensing units with simple single-stage burner setups. That means when the thermostat calls for heat, the burner fires up at full capacity until the house hits the set temperature. Neither unit uses complex modulating controls, which means fewer expensive electronic circuit boards to fry or replace over time. The heart of any boiler is its heat exchanger, which transfers heat from the oil flame into your home's water system. Both manufacturers protect their heat exchangers with a 20-year warranty, so you get solid structural protection on the main iron assembly either way. Here is what the brochure won't tell you. The quality of the technician installing your system matters far more than the logo on the front panel. Oil-fired boilers require clean combustion, correct nozzle sizing, and annual maintenance to run smoothly. Without a proper setup, even a high-end unit will foul up with soot, lose efficiency, and break down quickly. No warranty covers a poor installation or lack of annual servicing. Pricing on equipment usually places the Lennox OWB86 around $3,200 to $3,800 for the unit alone. The NTI Caprice generally comes in slightly lower, around $2,800 to $3,400, depending on local distributor rates. That puts the Lennox roughly $400 to $500 higher up front. Is that extra money worth it? For many homeowners, that standard 10-year electrical parts warranty on the Lennox easily offsets the price gap. A single out-of-warranty service call for a failed control module can easily cost a few $100s in parts and labor alone. The NTI Caprice is a great choice if you have a tight initial installation budget and want a reliable, simple cast iron unit with a slight bump in efficiency. The Lennox OWB86 is better for homeowners who want extra peace of mind against early electrical component failures, thanks to that decade-long parts guarantee. If it were my house, I'd lean toward the Lennox OWB86. That extra 1% AFUE on the NTI won't save you enough fuel to outweigh the security of a 10-year electrical warranty. You accept a slightly higher sticker price today, but you shield yourself against unexpected control replacement costs for 10 full years.